Hi, Lipyao here again, and this week I've been learning another hymn called God Will Take Care of You. And it's in the key of C, and the chords you need are going to be C major, F, G, and if you can, add in the G7, and then E major. Okay, those are the chords we need. Now let's run through the first verse once through. So this hymn is actually in 6/8 time, which is again a compound triple time. So again, for each chord symbol, you're going to play 3 strums with our fairly standard strum down, up, up. All right. So let's try the first verse. Be not dismayed, whatever betide, God will take care of you. Beneath His wings of love abide, God will take care of you. God will take care of you through every day or all the way. He will take care of you. God will take care of you. Now grab a song sheet and we'll play through all 3 verses once through. Be not dismayed, whatever betide, God will take care of you. Beneath His wings of love abide, God will take care of you. God will take care of you through every day or all the way. He will take care of you. God will take care of you. Through days of toil when heart doth fail, God will take care of you. When dangers face your path assail, God will take care of you. God will take care of you through every day or all the way. He will take that was God Will Take Care of You. Again, another beautiful triple time hymn with a lovely lilt. And I think the only tricky part is in the last line on the E major chord. There's a pause there, which depending on how fast you want to take it, you could either just make one strum and pause as long as you want, or you can just go a little bit more normal pace and just do the standard three strums for that E major chord and then move on. So again, choice is up to you. Again, beautiful hymn. Hope it speaks to you as much as it did to me. See you next time.